Okay, fine. Now everyone, please take out your books.
Ma'am,
children.
we have to write second bit, first question.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, that time I went
Okay,
to
ma'am.
ma'am and that time I wrote full.
Okay, fine.
I wrote before only third question. ma'am.
Actually, I have prepared this one lesson. मैंने prepare किया है. Actually, I want to send you. Okay, beta. See here. Can you see in the screen? Can you see on the screen?
Yes.
हाँ. Just start reading, beta. हाँ.
Ma'am, can you zoom some, ma'am?
Zoom. Yeah, wait.
Yes.
Ma'am, no need, ma'am. We'll zoom ourselves.
You can zoom from your side. Okay. Okay, fine, children. Already,
Ma'am,
लोग ये question लिखे ना बेटा. Because only we are having these 3 questions. That's what I'm sharing now. This. Okay, children. If we come.
Ma'am, but there are 4 questions, ma'am.
Yes, yes. These 4 questions we have to write in the classwork. These and these. And money. But from next lesson onwards, only we have to write this only.
Ma'am,
Uh,
only ga we have to write.
this 4. Yes, this 4 we have to write now. Continue same.
Okay,
Already we have started this question in the previous class. आचार्य चाणक्य का नवजात पुत्र अन्य शिशुओं से अलग क्यों था? Why he is different? Because
Ma'am, why we didn't write in last class, ma'am?
why we didn't write in the last class? Because time हो गया था ना बेटा, इसलिए हम नहीं पाए.
Ma'am, we went 10 minutes, ma'am, in that last class. You wrote question and lesson.
So now you write down, children. Write neatly. Children, please sharp your pencil. And please, क्या है ना? For each and every word, please give some gap, finger gap. That is must and should, children. Okay, finger gap is there. See, if you observe here, each and every one, I'm giving some space.
Ma'am, can you zoom?
Can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I zoom?
Ma'am, what? Which lesson?
This is 8th lesson बेटा. ये जो हमारा 8th lesson already बहुत दिन हो गए ना. आज ये complete कर दो. So in the next class, we are having on Wednesday, we are having afternoon session. On that,
Ma'am, and over, ma'am.
okay, fine. Okay, जन्म लेते ही नहीं रोया और उसके मुंह में संपूर्ण दांत थे. ओके, बिकॉज यही है जिसका डिफरेंस क्या है. जो आचार्य चाणक्य जो विष्णुगुप्त का डिफरेंस क्या है? He was when he was born at the time he didn't cry and he is having whole teeth in his mouth. That is the answer. Second question. भविष्यवाणी. आदर्शा बेटा. भविष्यवाणी सुनकर आचार्य चाणक्य. हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, she's asking.
This is new lesson.
क्या माँ?
Ma'am, she's asking.
This is new lesson.
Not new lesson, children. हम लोग से lesson 8 आचार्य चाणक्य we are having incomplete. No, because after this question, after this नए शब्द, इसके बाद में हम लोग we wrote कुछ शब्दों में उत्तर लिखे, textual questions लिखे हैं जो टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखे. And these are the main questions which we have to write in each lesson. हम लोग यही लिखते हैं ना mostly. This time we wrote those because
Ma'am, in poem, ma'am. Ma'am, in poem we will have a question and कुछ शब्द में उत्तर लिखे and प्रश्न also. कुछ वाक्य.
Yeah, in the next lesson हम लोग only these 2 ही लिखेंगे बेटा. यही 2 लिखेंगे. Okay बेटा, यही 2 लिखेंगे. कुछ वाक्यों में
Nine शब्द and 9 question and answers only, ma'am.
only in this lesson we wrote beta, and remaining next lesson onwards not necessary, because in this lesson they have given very less space. So that's what we wrote in this lesson. Particularly we wrote कुछ शब्दों में उत्तर दीजिए. माने short and very short answers. Very short answers.
Okay, ma'am, because
short
these
answers.
questions are only one line.
Yes. Second question है बेटा, भविष्यवाणी सुनकर आचार्य चाणक्य क्यों चिंतित थे? Why he was worried? Because क्योंकि पंडित कहता है that he is going to rule a kingdom. By listen that word, this Acharya Chanak, he worried about his son. Okay, yeah, that is the answer. I explain in
Ma'am, you told कुछ वाक्यों में.
Ma'am, what is the second question? First word.
भविष्यवाणी बेटा, भविष्यवाणी. ब बी आदशा या
Ma'am, what is meaning of Bhavishyawaani?
हाँ, somebody asked me in previous class, children, we wrote only this question. Ron, did you ask me, Ron? बेटा रोन आपने पूछा है मुझे? किसी ने मुझे पूछा था ना? लीसा, और लीसा अपने क्लास में आया बेटा? लीसा, did you join the class? If you join the class, just show yours. I will check last बेटा.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
can you?
Lisa, very good, Lisa, very good बेटा. हाँ, now just write down. Okay बेटा. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Are you writing now, Lisa? Lisa, are you writing? Ask to unmute. Okay, you are in. Okay, mute. Let me check once.
Ma'am, can you increase the size?
क्या बेटा? Okay, थोड़ा साइज इंक्रीज करना है.
Ma'am,
Wait.
can you increase the size?
Okay बेटा.
Ma'am, can you increase the size of the question?
Okay बेटा.
We
I'm
can
going
only
in.
zoom in laptop also, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is so small.
So small. Okay, I'm making zoom. Wait.
Ma'am, how to? Ma'am, how to zoom in laptop?
दे दिया ना तेरे टीचर
एक
ने
मिनट
लिखने
बेटा.
के लिए. बैठ के ढूंढी तू.
Ma'am,
ढूंढो बैठ के. जल्दी निकाल के लिख.
ma'am.
I'm doing zoom.
What did you say before, ma'am? It's not just now because of network issue, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah बेटा. एक मिनट. I'm trying to just zoom it. Just wait बेटा. Yeah.
ma'am, we can zoom, ma'am.
Yes, I'm doing that बेटा. Yes. I'm doing.
No.
मुझे
No,
zoom.
ma'am, we can also zoom.
Yeah, you can zoom from your side even. Yeah, maybe.
Ma'am, can you zoom a little
Ma'am,
bit?
how to zoom this, ma'am? Normally, when we zoom like that only, ma'am. How in laptop, how we use Teams like that only.
Ma'am, in laptop we cannot zoom in.
Okay, मैं थोड़ा सा बड़ा करूँगी बेटा.
Ma'am, we can zoom it in laptop also.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, you
Ma'am,
can send
no, ma'am,
in.
we cannot zoom in.
Yes, ma'am, I can't zoom also.
Okay बेटा, मैंने zoom किया है.
Ma'am, can you sum only zoom?
Yeah.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it
Okay,
okay,
ma'am.
fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
What did you say before?
Ma'am, take it to Naya Shabd.
Okay, नए शब्द take it. Yeah, I'm doing it. Yeah. See here.
Ma'am,
Okay,
you can
fine.
send in WhatsApp 8th lesson, ma'am.
क्या बेटा?
You can send the WhatsApp in this one.
Yeah,
ma'am.
I will send it. But क्या है ना? Now you have to write this one. And last 5 minutes by 10:35, I am going to check your books. Last 5 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So now
Okay, ma'am.
शिक्षा पूरी होने पर प्रधानाचार्य ने विष्णुगुप्त से क्या कहा? ओके बेटा, शिक्षा पूरी होने पर प्रधानाचार्य ने विष्णुगुप्त से क्या कहा?
Ma'am, we have to write third question and answer also.
Yeah beta, first question, second question, third question, and we are having 4 more now. Page number
Ma'am, fourth question also, ma'am.
Yeah, fourth question also we have to complete, so that one lesson,
Yes.
totally 8 lesson will be हो जाता है. So in the next
Okay, ma'am.
माने Wednesday, I will check once all classworks by one, and then I'm going to start Swabhavik Dan hard words. On Wednesday, I'm going to check according to rule number wise. I'll check all classworks, beta. Once again, I'm going to check on Wednesday afternoon session. Okay, ma.
Ma'am,
Now, हाँ बेटा.
ma'am, 2 times you will check.
Okay, Lisa बेटा, आप अपनी तरफ से you have to unmute from your side, Lisa. ओजस्वी, आप लिख रहे बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And ज्ञान प्रतीक.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा, राहुल.
ma'am, will check again and manage the section 2.
क्या बेटा?
No, ma'am, we will check again and manage this section also.
Yeah, I will check again on Wednesday section, because today you have to complete this. Okay, by 10:35. Sorry, by 11:35. So 11:20. No, 11:15. I'm going to check. I'm going to start by 11:15. Okay, ma'am. 11:50. Last 5 minutes, I will check the class or check your classwork, and mostly I don't know how many children will show me. And remaining, I'm giving time, because today I'm going to send this all in the WhatsApp. Okay, beta? ये जितने भी
Ma'am, we will write only 3 questions in the main questions.
no, these are 4 questions are there, children. 1, 2, 3, kha, kha, ga, gha. 4 है ना बेटा?
हाँ, ma'am, when you zoom, it's coming only 3.
Oh no, I just one more is there. It is.
Yesterday you sent a worksheet, no, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you show first one question?
First question. Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा.
ma'am, I did it. I got 10 out of 10, ma'am.
Very good, children. Very good. See, this is the first question, ma. Acharya Chanak ka Navjat Putra. And second question completed. Second answer completed. क्योंकि वे साम्राज्य चलाना क्षत्रियों का काम मानते थे. Okay, कौन? The father, Acharya Chanak. Acharya Chanak, what he thought that this is not our work. This is क्षत्रियों का काम है. Okay, बेटा, जो राजा लोग करते हैं ना वो. शिक्षा for third question. गा, third question. शिक्षा पूरी. शिक्षा माने education, children. Education. शिक्षा माने education. शिक्षा पूरी होने पर प्रधानाचार्य ने विष्णुगुप्त से क्या कहा? ओके, सो एक्चुअली क्या होता है, व्हेन ही कंप्लीट हिज एजुकेशन, सो एक्चुअली ही वांट टू लीव दैट, बट प्रधानाचार्य माने द हेड ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन, प्रिंसिपल. ओके बेटा, प्रधानाचार्य माने हेड ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल. व्हाट ही विल से, नो, you just work as a social teacher in our organization, so please. So then Pradhanacharya, when the principal said, then Vishnugupta said okay. Okay बेटा, यही हम आंसर हमने इंग्लिश में लिखे थे, हिंदी में लिखे थे, सॉरी. प्रधानाचार्य ने कहा कि वे यहीं रहकर राजनीति मैंने बोला बेटा पॉलिटिकल, रिगार्डिंग पॉलिटिकल साइंस, और अर्थशास्त्र माने सोशल के आचार्य का पदभार संभाले. पदभार माने बेटा ही वर्कड एज ए टीचर. ओके बेटा, संभाले, इसलिए यहाँ पे इनको आचार्य चाणक्य, एंड आचार्य माने टीचर, एंड हिज फादर नेम इज चनक, so that's what at last his name was आचार्य चाणक्य. प्रधानाचार्य ने कहा कि वे यहीं रहकर राजनीति और अर्थशास्त्र, बेटा ये त्रा है बेटा. ओके, त्रा के आचार्य का पदभार संभाले. 32 children have joined. Okay, very good. Write neat handwriting, children. Okay, beta. मैं सबका देखूंगी. And I will send today. I will send this PDF also, ma'am, children. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ doubts है तो you can verify the doubts.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am,
हाँ.
I sent my notes in your WhatsApp. Did you see, ma'am?
Yes. I have checked it, beta. मैंने देखा है. लीसा बेटा आप लिख रहे बेटा. लीसा, राहुल, तानवी बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
लिख रहे बेटा. तानिया is a yeah. Tanya
Yes.
can see yes.
How, ma'am?
Okay. तानवी बेटा. कनिष्क.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. सहस्रा लिख रहे बेटा. Are you writing सहस्रा?
Ma'am, can you send 8 lesson question and answers PDF in WhatsApp?
Yes. After completing the class, I'm going to send it. Suhana Tanvi, okay, beta.
Ma'am, question and answers also, ma'am.
Yeah. Definitely, I'm going to send all. Sesh, are you writing? Saish. Consider. Ravi.
I'm writing.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, can you show 4th answer?
Yes. Aryan also writing? Suhana, Dani, okay, very good. Okay, fine. Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Are you writing, beta? Yeah.
Yes,
Ashita,
ma'am.
okay. Ashita, very good. Okay. Aman बेटा मैं सब लोगों का क्लास वर्क मैं वेडनेसडे आफ्टरनून सेक्शन चेक करूंगी. योशिता.
Ma'am, 3rd question.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, 4th question is too small, ma'am.
क्या बेटा? सॉरी मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया. Can you repeat once again?
4th question is too small, ma'am.
Yes, very good. चाणक्य ने अपना संकल्प कैसे पूरा किया. माने संकल्प माने
Ma'am.
promise. No, yeah.
Ma'am, did you call me? I am Aman.
Yes, Aman. Are you writing, Aman?
Ma'am, I'm writing second answer, ma'am.
Okay, fine, beta. Yeah. Today you complete all these question answers. On Wednesday,
Okay, ma'am.
lesson 8 मैं check करूंगी. Everyone's rule number wise. I made a checklist. So I will go according to rule number wise. Just show me. I will pick it like that. I will check all the classwork. 8th lesson. Okay. Yeah. So that once we finish 8th lesson, then we'll go to 9th lesson. And I will send this all PDF for you. If you have any, just write down. हाँ.
Over, ma'am. I am Ashrita, ma'am.
Okay, Ashrita, over beta. 4 questions is okay. हो गया बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. 4 question and answers also over.
Very good, ma'am. Very good. Wait, I will check. Wait, not now. Just wait. 4th question, let me explain and then I am going to check. चाणक्य ने अपना संकल्प कैसे पूरा किया? How? चंद्रगुप्त की सहायता. माने he is one of the king and he take his king's help. चंद्रगुप्त की सहायता माने help से चाणक्य ने अपना संकल्प पूरा किया. बेटा ये सारे आंसर्स आपको इजी है. Have you observed this? Half of the question, half of the answer is there in the question only. The main thing you have to write. Yeah. And first answer anyhow you know that. What's the reason? Just if I'll ask the questions definitely once or twice if you'll read means we'll get all these answers.
Ma'am, because the Acharya is interesting. Ma'am,
And the next,
ma'am, are you there? Ma'am,
beta.
nothing, ma'am. I thought my net gone.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Beta.
ma'am, I forgotly did the dots, ma'am. I
Leave
can
the dots.
zoom like this, ma'am. It is pressing that self, ma'am, and coming dots, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Arabindo is writing, beta. Arabindo. Arabindo, Bahiti, Darshan. Are you writing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Evika,
Ma'am, after the question answers, will you keep once in a shabd?
Naya Shabd. Okay, beta. Once. Wait, let them see. Some children, they're writing third and fourth. Once they'll complete, then I'm going to show that. Okay, Surabhi, क्या है बेटा?
Complete, ma'am.
Ma'am, over,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. Yeah, okay, बेटा. Surabhi, कुछ problem है बेटा?
No, ma'am, 4 questions over.
Okay, 4 questions over. Very good. Wait, beta. I will check yours. If you're completed, just show me. I can see you. Yeah. Okay. Okay, fine, beta. Yes. Third one. Okay. Fourth one answer. Fourth question answer. Okay, fine. Very good, beta. Yeah. So here our one lesson we completed. Yes. Okay, fine. Very good, beta. Yeah. And hard words. Naye shabd, beta. Yes. Okay, very good. Shabash. Okay, beta. Fine. सूरभि का मैं टिक कर लेती हूँ. ओके सूरभि कंप्लीटेड. ओके मैम. ओके सूरभि बेटा, थैंक यू. Children, if you any completed, you can show me, children. Yeah, once we'll complete this lesson 8 means that, okay, in the next class, once we'll read all the question answers once better. After reading the section, this, then we'll-
Ma'am, just now my current gone. What you told before?
Ron, okay, Ron, is it Ron or is Rahul?
Ma'am, Aman.
Aman, okay. Aman, beta, just complete this, okay? If you complete means just show me, I said.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
After showing what we have to do.
Yeah, just check it, beta. We are having more 12 minutes. No, just wait. You just watch where others are writing. No, just if you have any doubts, you can just go once. Check all that. Check the mistakes. Or else once you read the answers. Okay, once you revise, definitely first you'll get the oral also. You'll get the answers.
ma'am, if we over, we should show you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Those who completed, they can show me so that I'm going.
Ma'am, third one.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
Okay, better. Write down, write down. Okay, wait. Write needy children.
Ma'am, if we have 2 periods, we can complete fastly, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Yes. Eliora is writing, beta. Eliora.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I'm writing still second answer only, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, beta. थोड़ा सा fast कर लो क्योंकि see we are having only 11 minutes. Okay. And after finishing this, I'm going to send you in the WhatsApp group में डाल दूंगी. Check कर ले कि
Ma'am,
complete करना है children. And Wednesday afternoon session में सबका check करूंगी.
Ma'am,
रफी. हाँ.
ma'am, I'm Suhana, ma'am.
या सुहाना ताली बेटा वेरी गुड. हाँ नए शब्द. हाँ उसके बाद में बेटा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. हाँ ओके बेटा. हाँ यस कुछ वाक्यों में. हाँ वेरी गुड बेटा. 1 मिनट में टिक लगाती हूँ. सुहाना तानवी राइट. ओके बेटा वेरी गुड. या
ma'am, sometimes I will write question and answer one time only.
ओके.
Both at a time.
कंप्लीट जास्मिता. एविका
Ma'am,
बेटा
I'm writing.
आपका हो गया एविका.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
ओके बेटा.
Question, ma'am, an answer.
ओके एविका आपका हो गया बेटा. आप लिख रहे हैं अभी.
I'm writing, ma'am. I'm in 4th question.
Okay, beta. After write yes. Okay, complete this. Complete it. Okay, Sasidhar, did you show me once? Sasi.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am. I'm Jasmita.
Show me Jashmita. Okay, Jashmita. If you complete, you can show me. I'm going to yes. Sasidhar. Okay. Okay, beta. Turn the page. Okay, fine. Yeah. Before page, beta. Yes. Show me the hard words. Once show me the hard words also. Naye shabd. Okay, fine. Very good. Sasidhar. Okay. मैंने टिक लगा दिया बेटा. Very good.
Ma'am,
Okay, Jashmita.
I am Jasmita,
Okay.
ma'am. Is
Yeah,
it okay?
naye shabd. Okay, turn the page, beta. Turn the page. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, beta. Question answers. Okay, fine. Very good. Jashmita.
Okay.
Yes. Jahnavi also writing, beta. Jahnavi, आप लिख रहे बेटा. Okay, Jashmita.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I'm
beta.
not.
Yes, ma'am. I'm writing.
Yeah, okay, fine. Which question you are writing, Jahnavi?
Ma'am, second.
Second one. Why you are slow, beta? Already हमने last class में already we have completed question only. We didn't write
Yes,
first
ma'am.
answer. Then late you have
Yes,
not
ma'am.
read,
Just
na?
now I joined. Ma'am, just now I joined.
Okay, okay, beta. Then you do one thing. After this class, I'm going to send this video. Please complete and send that answers. Okay, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine.
Ma'am, I am Rahul. Mine is full over.
Yeah, show me Rahul then. That's what I'm saying. Those who completed the lesson 8, you can show me so that I can take here. I'm having checklist.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I joined just now. What did you say before?
Yeah, children, see if you're completed, just show me. शशिधर मैं शशिधर का हो गया मैंने लगाया. बाहिती. Okay बेटा बाहिती क्या है बोला बेटा. Rahul, wait, Rahul is showing me. Yeah. Next question answers, Rahul. Show me. Okay, नए शब्द. हाँ, okay बेटा, turn the page. कुछ शब्द वाक्यों में उत्तर. Very good. Okay, Rahul. Okay, fine बेटा. Rahul. Very good. Yoshita, show me बेटा.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ, yes.
Ma'am, I'm Advika. What can I show?
Wait बेटा. Show me. Okay, Yoshita, turn the page. Yoshita, turn it.
Can I show you?
Okay.
I'm Ashrita, ma'am.
एक मिनट बेटा. हाँ, yes. Okay, Advika,
Ma'am, I'm
turn it.
Ashrita, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Turn the page, beta. Both of you turn the pages. Right. Very
This,
good.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Both of you. Yeah, nice handed. Okay, beta. Yoshita. Okay.
Ma'am, Ma'am, I wrote here answer.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes, yes, I can see you. Yeah, you wrote on the top, no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I forgotly write here answer this
Okay,
question.
beta. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay, fine.
I'm okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta. Okay, okay.
Yes,
Advika, Yoshita. Okay, fine. Advika, Yoshita. Okay, over. Fine. Ojasvi, complete हो गया बेटा? हाँ, show me Evika. Yes, show me. Show me Evika and Ojasvi. Show me.
Ma'am.
Complete you can show me. Ashrita, you are showing me right, okay? एक मिनट बेटा Ashrita. हाँ, okay, fine. Turn.
Ma'am.
हाँ, श्रीचरण एक मिनट बेटा, श्रीचरण एक मिनट. Okay, fine. Yeah. Ashrita, हाँ, turn अभी, हाँ, very good. Next. Okay, fine. Evika, okay बेटा. Yeah. Question answers. Okay, fine. हाँ, okay, okay. थोड़ा आगे कम है. Okay, fine. Okay, बेटा. Turn the page. Okay, बेटा. हाँ, right. Okay, fine. Evika का भी हो.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yeah, who is this? हाँ, श्रीचरण यहाँ.
I'm
Turn.
Ojasvi, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Evika मैंने बत्तिक लगाया बेटा. Evika, very good. You are finished, Evika. Sricharan, turn the page. Yeah.
Ma'am, Aman, can I show?
Very bit down. Turn the page.
Ma'am, Aman, can I show it?
Yeah, yeah. Show it, beta. Okay, fine. Sricharan
Ma'am,
का भी हो
Aman, can
गया.
I show it?
Show it. Ojasvi, okay, beta.
Ma'am, I am Ojasvi. Can you
Aman,
see
can I
mine?
show
I
it?
am seeing you. Ojasvi, turn the page, beta. दूसरा पेज बताओ. Okay, question.
Ma'am, Aman, can you see my notebook?
एक बेटा, एक wait, wait. Yeah, I'm going to check now. I'm going to see everyone's. Yeah. Now show me now.
Ma'am, Aman, can you
अरे
see
one
mine?
minute. एक मिनट बेटा.
I'm sure
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am, Aman,
Okay,
can you
fine.
see mine?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can
Yes, yes. Yeah, I'm seeing beta. Kartika, show me.
Ma'am, Aman, can you see mine?
Yeah, yeah. Oh. Yes, yes. Aman, okay, Aman.
last answer?
Yeah, yeah. Last answer.
Ma'am, and fourth answer also over.
Okay, fine. Aman, okay, beta. Completed, Aman. Okay, fine. Aman. Ron, show me Ron.
Hi, ma'am.
Ma'am, please.
Rishik.
Ma'am, please, can you show? Ma'am, please, can you show another lesson notes?
Another lesson notes नहीं है बेटा. It's not there. Let me
Ma'am.
complete.
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am, bye, ma'am.
Raj Rishi can show me and Ron also.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am,
And Rishik, show me.
Shabd, ma'am. Take it in a Shabd, ma'am.
Yeah, you want to send it? Okay.
Ma'am, see mine, ma'am. Bye.
See mine, ma'am. I am Ojasvi.
Ojasvi,
Ma'am,
मैंने आपको Ojasvi, I have dictated you बेटा. आपका हो गया. Let me see.
Will you send PDF in WhatsApp?
I will send now.
Scroll up to mine also.
Mute children. You can mute. Otherwise, can I mute it? Yeah, I'm doing that. Wait. I'm going to mute.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Where are you going?
Ron.
Ron, very good. एक मिनट बेटा Ron. हाँ. Show me Ron.
Ma'am, bye.
Wait.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Ron, show me Ron. Raj Rishi. कार्तिका आप भी बताना चाहती थी ना बेटा. Only if you only showed me. Eliora, Lisa. Rishik, क्या हुआ है? Can show me no? Rishik, Show me beta. If you complete it, just show me. Blur दिख रहा है पूरा blur. Rishik, you just send it in my WhatsApp, Rishik, because I can't see that total blur is there in your book. I can't see anything on the book, beta. आप just send it to my WhatsApp, Rishik. Or else in the next class I will check yours. And next, Ron है, Lisa है, and Aryan. Are you writing still? Children, if you complete, you can show me, children. Yeah, yes, last 1 minute. Rishik, yeah, picture is pura blur hai, better you can send it to my WhatsApp. And Ron, if you have completed, you can send a pic to my WhatsApp, beta. Okay, I will check and I will tick that. And remaining children's, yeah. ओजस्वी का हो गया, मैंने टिक लगाया है. ओजस्वी का, एविका का भी हो गया, अद्विका ओवर, अमन ओवर, राहुल, शशिधर, Karthika, she showed me a little on, she didn't show me. Who is this? Who is this, beta? Jagan asked to unmute. Okay, fine. Yeah, children, okay. So in the next class, I'm going to, now I'll send this PDF to everyone, children. Just if you have any incomplete, you just write and send it. Or else in the next class, Mane Wednesday after section, I'm going to check remaining children. Now those who have taken no remaining children.